Welcome to Beautiful, Confident, and Safe, a podcast by Lewisburg Plastic Surgery featuring Dr. Normington. Hi, I'm Jordan Thomas. In each episode of this show, Dr. Normington and I will sit down for an unscripted conversation about a variety of plastic surgery topics. Our goal, as with everything we do here at Lewisburg Plastic Surgery, is to provide you with the educational resources you need to make the best decision and allow you to feel beautiful, confident, and safe. Let's get started. Today we're going to be discussing Fem Touch with Dr. Normington. Dr. Normington, if you could give me just a general synopsis of Fem Touch and what the treatment is for.
Sure. Fem Touch is a laser procedure designed to improve the thickness of the vaginal wall. As women get older, the vaginal wall thins, and this can lead to problems with dryness. Fem Touch is a long-standing laser treatment that we've been using for the face. And we discovered that by applying the same laser technology to the vaginal wall, we can rejuvenate the vaginal wall and provide a more youthful vaginal wall. And this, the big change is that women will notice that the vagina is more moist. It provides some thickening and some tightening and can rejuvenate some of the problems of aging in the vaginal wall.
And who would you say would be a good candidate for this procedure? Is there a specific age range that would be best?
There's really two major candidates. The major candidate is a perimenopausal or postmenopausal woman who is experiencing some of the changes of aging in the vagina, particularly with dryness. That's the major candidate. And other candidates are women who've had vaginal childbirth and are concerned about some of the laxity problems in the vaginal wall.
Okay. And how many treatments would you say are usually needed for patients?
Well, more than one treatment. So usually we'll recommend 3 treatments. The treatments themselves will be spaced 4 to 6 weeks apart. And patients see something after one, but to get the maximum effect, we do recommend 3 treatments.
And then how often do they need to have these treatments done?
Well, long term, many women find they benefit from some type of maintenance. So we'll have them in 3 or 4 times a year to have a treatment.
Okay. And then after treatments, are there any activities patients should avoid, any downtime at all?
Well, the nice thing about the treatment is, well, first of all, it doesn't hurt. It does not require any anesthesia at all. So that's the nice thing. We do recommend that they avoid vaginal intercourse for about 48 hours. But beyond that, there's really no restrictions.
Is the treatment itself painful at all? Like what sort of...
No, the vaginal wall does not feel the laser treatment at all. So a woman will obviously feel we're introducing the applicator into the vagina, which is approximately the size of a carrot, but the treatment itself is not at all painful.
Okay. And do patients ever experience any sort of side effects following the treatments? Are there any negative aspects to doing these treatments?
So the risks and side effects are really, honestly, none. Again, we ask that they avoid intercourse for a couple of days. There might be a little bit of drainage, so we ask that women wear a pad for a day or two. But it's a very safe procedure and has almost no side effects.
Okay, so we actually have the pleasure today of having our guest, Marcy, who is one of our Fem Touch patients. Marcy, how are you today, first of all?
I'm doing very well, thank you.
Good.
How are you?
I'm good. I wanted to ask, so what was your reasoning for doing the Fem Touch treatments?
So I've had 4 children, and I just wanted, I was interested in trying the treatment because others who have had it said that they had some success with it helping prevent leaking urine. If your bladder's full, like for example, if I was out jumping on the trampoline with my children and my bladder would be full, I would leak urine. So they said that helped, with that kind of thing. So that's why I wanted to try it.
Oh, awesome. And how many treatments did you complete?
I've had 4 so far.
And did you feel any discomfort or pain during the treatment, after at all?
No, so during the treatment, I did not feel any pain at all. The only thing that I noticed after the first treatment, I had a little bit of cramping and a little bit of spotting, but nothing terrible at all.
And when did you start to experience improvement?
After my second treatment, I noticed a big difference in just not having trouble, with leaking urine.
And would you recommend this treatment to others?
Yes, I would highly recommend to others. Even, if you're not having issues with leaking urine, it can help with many other things.
That's great. Yeah.
Thank you, Marcy. It's very helpful having somebody give us their experience with this treatment.
Thank you.
And thank you for your time today, Dr. Normington and Marcy. That is all with this one, but if you're interested in these treatments, feel free to call us. We can schedule you for a consult and decide whether or not you would be a good candidate for FemTouch.
Thank you.
That's a wrap on this episode of the Beautiful, Confident, and Safe podcast, brought to you by Lewisburg Plastic Surgery and Dr. Normington. Please be sure to subscribe to our show so that you never miss an episode. And for more information on Lewisburg Plastic Surgery, please visit us online at lewisburgplastic.com or find us on Facebook at Lewisburg Plastic Surgery and Dermatology or on Instagram at Lewisburg Plastic. We'll see you next time.